Hi everyone, I am Kuldeep, and today I am going to uh, demonstrate how we can register on AWS as a free tier account. So, in free tier, what we will get, how many times or how many duration we will get these free services. So, free trials are short term, start from the date you activate a service. So suppose you have a free account and you start AWS S3 services after 1 month. So you will get the uh, S3 free services for the next 1 year. S3 is the simple storage services. So it's a only one services. All services you will get 12 months from initial sign up date to the AWS. There are some free service, those are always free. So there are some products and those offers free trials which never expired and always available for all the customers. So now I am moving on to the so basically what is AWS? Amazon Web Service AWS is the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform, offering over 200 fully featured services from data centers globally, millions of customers, including the fastest growing startup, largest enterprises, and leading government agencies, currently using AWS, which is lower cost and become more agile and innovative faster. So in AWS Free Tier, what we will get? So we gain free hands-on experience with AWS platform, products, and services. Either startups can get eligible for AWS credit, or if you are a developer or if you are a student and you are learning the AWS, so you can register on AWS and you can get benefit for AWS services for 1 year. So in that period, you can learn AWS services and you can masters into the AWS. So what type of offers AWS provides? So around 100 products and start building an AWS using the free tier. Three different types of free offers are available depending on the product you use. So first is the free trials. Short-term free trials offer start from the date you activate a particular services. Then there are some 12-month free services. This offers for 12 months from start of the sign of your AWS. And there are some always free services. They are never expire and they are available for all AWS customers. So these are top product categories where you can something is compute is like EC2 instance, S3 databases, storage is like simple storage services, containers, web and mobile app. Now I'm going to show how you can register a free AWS account. So simply either you can search AWS console login. So this is the URL of Amazon Web Service Console Management Console. If you go on to that, if you have the account, you can click on sign in, and if you don't have, then you have to click on sign up. Okay, so you can click on create a new AWS account where you can enter your email ID and a AWS account name. So for demonstration purpose, I use ASPX developer. When you click on, you will get an verification code on your Gmail 1355350. So once you input the verification code and click on verify, it will redirect you onto the sign up for AWS page where you have to input your credit card or debit card number and expiry date, card holder name, and your contact information. Don't worry about the charges. it will charge you $1 and for the authentication purpose only, and after 3 or 5 days you will get your uh, amount back in your credit card or debit card. Here you can AWS already mentioned it, you will not charge uh, you for usage below AWS Free Account. They are temporarily hold $1 or equivalent amount in your local currency, and it will return in 3 or 5 days. So I will enter my credit card and debit card information, expiry date, and other details. And once I will click verify and continue. So for the security purpose, I am not entering the credit card and debit card information. I already entered these information. Once we enter the information, we will get another email, which is the welcome email from Amazon Web Services. So once we get this email, then we can log in into our AWS console account and log in, and we can using the AWS services. So let me log in into the AWS console account. Also, once you log in, you have to choose your support plan. So, as in this video, I'm demonstrating how to register the free account. So, first one is the basic support, and this is the free account. After that, we have developer support, and it will charge a individual for $29, and for business it's $100 per month. It's the base price. So I'm choosing basic support free, which we will get free services, and it will access to the personal health and dashboard and trust advisor only. So now I'm going to complete my sign up. So great. So now I'm going to click onto the AWS management console. So sometimes don't worry about that. Sometimes it will take some time. It's up to 24 hours, but usually it's creating the account in few minutes or immediately. So let me check if my account is activated. So yeah, I have to choose my role. So here I am selecting my role as a software developer engineer, and my area is the okay. I am choosing the DevOps. So I'm going to log in into my account. Yeah, so great. My account has been activated, and here you can see I'm logging into my account, which is the SPX developer. And if we click on the account, we can see the account information over there, the account ID, numbers, etc., orders, purchase history. So now I'm going on to there are some origins. So for free, the default origin is the global, and we can choose a different one. So now I'm going on to the home. So left from the billing account. Okay. So in services, here you can see all the services like EC2, AWS, XT. So these are the basically common services most of we have to understand. EC2 is the virtual servers, AWS S3 the scalable storage in the cloud, IM is the uh, access the resource. Okay, and this is the search. If we search S3, so we will see the S3, and if we want to pin this, we can place here AWS. So your free account is activated, and now you can start using the AWS services. So these are the EC2 services. So yeah, as I mentioned, some services will take some time. So EC for the EC2 service, it will take 24 hours. And once our account will be fully active, we can start the EC2 services. So yeah, but the account is activated, and after the some period of time, you will get the account activation email. And once we get the account activation email, then we can start using the AWS services. Thank you guys. Hope you are like this video, and if there is any suggestion, please comment me on this video. I will try to capture or record those information in my next video. So on next video, I will try to demonstrate you the S3 and EC2 services, how we can configure EC2 virtual machine, and how we can use EC2 and the S3. Thank you everyone.